Sunshine. So today I have another food subscription box to unbox with you guys. This one is called DaeBox Snacks. And this is $28 a month and you get 9+ snacks in your box, all surrounding around Asian culture. And I'm so excited because I love trying new things. I love experiencing and exploring with other cultures. And my favorite way to do that is through food. If literally the only reason I would travel is to look at like the history of other places and to try their food. And I can watch History Channel and I can try the food through boxes. So literally I have no reason to ever leave my house and face my fear of flying thanks to these subscription boxes. But again, this is $28 a month. You get 9+ snacks in each box, and I am really excited to try this one because unlike the other boxes that we have tried before, this one is literally just like taking a trip around. It literally says it somewhere. Take a taste trip around Asia every month. This box is heavy, so we're opening it up. Oh, we hit the camera. Oh no, Becky. Okay, it says, we hope you also, when I say oh no, Becky is just the invisible friend that I've created to blame all of my life's problems on. So I'm like, thanks, Becky, when I stub my toe or something like that. Sometimes working from home isn't so good on the imagination. So I don't know why I'm still trying to hold this up. Oh God, I hit you guys again. I'm a mess today. Okay. We hope you enjoy the snacks in this month's box. The countries included are Thailand, China, Taiwan, and Vietnam. That's really cool. And it has all the snacks and descriptions on the back. Definitely going to need this because if it has like Japanese or Chinese or Vietnamese or Taiwanese, I think that's Taiwan, you ding dong. But if it has foreign languages on there and foreign writing, I'm not going to be able to read it. So I'm going to use this card. Okay. The first thing that I'm pulling out is so fun. Oh my gosh, look at the packaging. Wow, this is literally so fun. Why don't we have more packaging like this in America? Okay, this is Taste Rocks Popping Candy. Taste Rocks feel like tiny explosions of flavor in your mouth. Sweet with many combinations of flavor, this remarkable candy is all about the pop and fizz eating experience. On the back it has cola plus lemon equals iced lemonade. Orange plus lemon equals fruit soda. Cream soda plus grape equals grape milkshake. Cream soda plus orange equals ice cream soda. All in equals Slurpee. Oh yeah, boy. Okay, the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to go through and I'm going to take out everything and then we can go through and taste everything individually. Okay, the next thing that I am pulling out is this. And this is I don't know. Ramen, a savory instant noodle flavored like shrimp and onions. Most eat it as a noodle soup instead of following the instructions to eat it as a dry noodle dish. This looks spicy. Am I wrong to assume that it looks spicy? I don't know. I am a spice weakling. I don't know, but that looks really fun. The next thing that we are pulling out is this fun package. Oh my goodness. I love how bright and colorful everything. It's literally so happy and exciting. This is Ettore Biscuit Sticks. Thin, crunchy biscuit sticks with a satisfying snap that makes them addicting to munch on. These snacks come in original tasty and super tasty flavors and are both equally good. Oh my goodness. Look how fun this is. I love the little chicken right there. So exciting. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out are these. And these feel very light. Oh, I just dropped one. Way to go. Energy 99 Taro Rice Roll. A healthy snack that's delicious. Contains 12 kinds of grains. The sweet taro flavor is in the center of the puffy roll and makes it seem like a round frosted Rice Krispie treat. That's really exciting. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out is, we have a couple of these actually. How many do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, we have 4 of these. Okay. These are Gin Lychee Coconut Jelly. Is it lychee or lychee or I don't know. Similar to Jell-O, these have diced coconut chunks which give them a pleasant upgrade. Take care when opening them because they can sometimes be a little juicy. I really honestly appreciate that warning because otherwise it would just be a hot mess in this joint. That would have been really bad. Also, I have another taro stick. That's really fun. Okay. The next thing that I'm pulling out are these. Wait, hold on, guys. I think I may have I messed up. I made a whoopsies. Okay. This is actually Huang Guang Assorted Candy. This assorted candy bag has coconut, ginger, and coffee. The coconut, sweet and nutty. Ginger, sweet with a little kick to it. Coffee, bitter and sweet like a latte. Oh yeah, that sounds really exciting. And then the Hawaiian guava candy are these things. A sweet candy with a slight fruit musk. There's literally, oh my gosh, there's another taro roll. This box is never ending. Okay, there's literally like so many in here. I could grab another handful, but there's like 2 handfuls worth of candy, of these candies in here. Okay, we have 2 more things. The next thing is this thing, which is the Elise Handen flavored tea cakes. Soft and spongy is a great standard for any cake, but these little cakes taste like the cake with the light chocolatey and nutty flavor of a pandan on top of that. Oh, and then it tells me which country everything's in. I totally missed out on that. Oh my gosh, we'll have to come back to that. And then last but not least, this is so fun. Oh my gosh. Mi Young Hu Sesame Crepe. I don't know why I said crepe. Full of sesame seeds coating like caramel-like inside with ground peanuts and cashews used to enhance the binding. This is a puffy, airy feel when you bite into it. Okay. These are from China. This is from Vietnam. These are from China. Where's my... Okay. This is from Vietnam. These are from Taiwan. This is from Thailand. This is from Thailand. These are from China. And these are from China. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I think what I'm going to go to and I'm going to do is I really want to taste... I'm just going to go through in order. So we're just going to go through and taste in order. However, I'm not going to taste the noodles and because that's like something that I would have to taste like with water. So here we go, opening up this is the lychee coconut jelly, which is similar to Jell-O. Story about me, I don't like Jell-O, but I'm excited to try this. Okay, I'm trying to be so careful. Oh. Haha, okay, I got it out. I suctioned it out. Oh. This is so fun. It tastes really good. It's so fun though. So I definitely get the coconut really strongly in that, and it doesn't taste too strongly of like gelatin, which is what like Jell-O tastes like to me. It's nicely sweet, but it's not overpoweringly sweet, which I really like, but it has that nice fresh coconut taste. Like it tastes like I'm drinking like coconut water, which I mean, I guess I don't know if that actually comes from coconuts, but it tastes like coconut water. So I don't necessarily count if it tastes like fresh coconut, but like fresh coconut tastes like coconut water. Like, do you know what I mean? Like coconut water tastes like fresh coconut to me, and these taste like coconut water, so it tastes like fresh coconut to me. The next thing that we're gonna try is this assorted candy, and I really want to try the latte one. Oh no. So here we go. We're gonna try the latte one first. Oh my god, that's so good. Okay, that's like, it's a little bitter, but it tastes like I'm like drinking like nice coffee. This is delicious. The next one I'm going to try is this blue one, and this one is coconut. It says that the coconut is sweet and nutty, so let's see what it tastes like. I don't really like this one too much. I don't get coconut. Like, it does taste sweet, but I don't get coconut. It tastes like a cheap caramel. But it tastes like a combination of a cheap like caramel and like the really cheap flavorless lollipops that you can get from 7-Eleven. That's what it kind of tastes like to me. So I really don't like the coconut one. The next one we're going to try is ginger. It says sweet with a little kick to it. I really did not like the coconut one. It made me like sick to my stomach. I'm very, very picky when it comes to like candy and stuff like that. I hate lollipops. The only lollipop I'll eat is like Tootsie Pops. because like they're the only one that like don't make me sick, and that candy made me really sick feeling. Oh, this is spicy. They said little kick. Boy, I'm getting kicked in the teeth. This is really spicy. Oh, it tastes like Christmas. It tastes like gingerbread, but really spicy gingerbread. The next thing we are going to try are these energy rice rolls. They say that this is a healthy snack that's delicious. It contains 12 kinds of grains. A sweet taro flavor is in the center of the puffy roll. It makes it seem like a round frosted Rice Krispie treat. Looks like a little donut stick. It's so fun. Okay. At first, it was like I was biting into like a cheese curl. And it tasted salty. I didn't really get sweet at first, but then at the very end, I got a very like hint. Like, I don't know if you guys can see like the center, but that's where like the sweet is. But like the outside tasted, and the texture wise is really what I mean. I don't mean actual taste, but it's like texture wise, it was like just like eating a cheese curd. Or cheese curl, not cheese curd. The next thing that I'm going to try is the Ettore Biscuit Sticks. These are from Thailand. They're thin, crunchy biscuit sticks with a satisfying snap to make them addicting to munch on. Ooh, they smell good. That's what they look like. We have something like this in the United States. They're called chick sticks. That's what I think they're called. I don't know. But they have them in a bunch of fun flavors. I hope these are like cheese flavored. I don't really like this either. And I'm really not that picky, and I feel like this box is making me seem like I'm really picky. Okay. I don't know how to describe the taste of these. It says, these snacks come in original tasty and super tasty flavors and are both equally good. I don't know which one this is. Okay. At first, I get like, I really do not know how to describe the flavor of this at all. It reminds me a little bit of the scent of, I want to say fish food, but like a little bit. And then like the flavor goes away and it's kind of like chewing on styrofoam. Yeah, I really don't know how to describe the taste of these, except they taste a little fishy. The next thing that I'm going to try are these Elsa Pandan flavored tea cakes. I'm excited. Soft and spongy is great with standard for any cake, but these little cakes take the cake, pun intended, with the light chocolatey and nutty flavoring of pandan on top of that. Okay. So we're going to try this cake. I hope it's as cute and fun as they make it sound. Oh, it's a baby cake. It's so cute. It's green. That's fun. This is so fun. I'm really excited to try this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like green. It's like the right here is green and like this is yellow. So I've never had Twinkies, so I don't know if this tastes like a Twinkie, but I like this. This is very good. I definitely get nutty. I don't really get too much chocolate flavor, but I definitely get more nut. But I really like how, like, I was getting ready to say, these are really perfect for, like, tea. And then I was like, wait, they're called tea cakes. And I really like these. I love the texture of these a whole bunch. Okay, the next thing we're trying is something that I'm a little nervous for because these are the guava candies. And I've always said that I really don't like the fruit guava. But I've also always said that I'm willing to try anything once. Oh, these are fun. These are like bright green cough drops. Ooh, okay. Here we go. I don't hate this. It's a lot brighter tasting than all of the other guava stuff I've had. Like, it's very like, boom, guava. It's very bright and not so like bitter, hanging on the sense of like bio tasting kind of guava. I don't mind this at all, actually. This isn't bad. It's not terrible. I actually like this candy, so I'm really glad that I tried it and didn't diss it because I know I don't like guava, but I really like this candy. And last but not least, we have these super fun Pop Rocks to taste. Okay, so I think the one that I want to taste is the grape milkshake because grape is the best candy flavor ever. I'm really sad that I'm going to be destroying this package. Yes, this makes me so terribly sad, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do to get the candy, right? Okay, so here's the purple Pop Rock. This is grape. We're gonna do a little ASMR. I'm gonna put it in my mouth and have you guys listen to me. Okay, so, the trouble is to open it. Okay, guys, are you ready? I really, really like the grape, and these are so fun, and I can't wait to mix all of them together. Should I? Should I do that? Okay, guys, we're gonna mix them all together. So they said by combining all these flavors, I'll be creating a Slurpee flavor. So here comes the magical moment. Are you guys ready? Okay, here we go. It's really sour. It's really sour. That is everything that I got in the DaeBox snack box. I feel like $28 is a lot of money for this box. I personally would have it priced around like 20 to 23. But I mean, I don't know like the cost of their business and everything, but I just feel like that'd be a much more reasonable dollar amount for this box, especially like because I'm not really thrilled. I'm not in love with anything in this box. That's my own personal taste. I don't have a whole bunch of exposure to Asian culture, so maybe somebody who has more understanding and exposure of the flavors and spices that come in Asian culture, this maybe like you would feel super appropriate for. However, I feel like 28 is a lot for this box. However, to defend that statement, everything that you got in this box, you didn't just get one. Like, I got a whole bunch of Pop Rocks. I got a bunch of these cakes. I got a bunch of the Jellos. I got a couple of everything except for the ramen and the sesame crepes. Everything, oh, and the biscuit sticks. That was only like one bag worth. But everything else, like the individual stuff that I got a couple of. However, I mean, I'm not personally, like, I'm not super in love with this box because I wasn't really impressed with any of the things that I got in the box. I mean, the Pop Rocks were always a lot of fun, and I think the packaging is really, really cute. But I mean, like, again, maybe like if somebody you had more exposure to Asian culture, you appreciated it more, maybe this box would definitely suit you. But on the other hand, I'm just somebody looking to experiment with new boxes and experiment with new flavors and cultures. I'm not in love with this box, and that's the standpoint that I'm taking. Like, I don't know much about Asian culture, but I love exploring and I love learning new things. If this box was cheaper, I would be more thrilled about it. However, it's basically $30 a month, and I would be disappointed if I actually had spent $30 on this because DaeBox sent this for free in exchange for a review. So, I mean, like, I'm not super thrilled with it if I'm giving my personal opinion, which I'm always going to give you guys my most honest opinion. The thing that I'm most excited about, I think, I don't know, these reminded me a lot of cheese curls, and I really like the cake, but that's about it. I mean, the Pop Rocks are, like, okay, but I can get them at the dollar store. I don't really, like, you know, I mean, the packaging was the most fun thing about the Pop Rocks. That was literally about it. What did you guys think of this food subscription box? What was your favorite item in the box? Have you ever tried anything in this box and you've loved it? I would love to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.